that this is the kind of thing which is super useful when you are doing stuff like migrating your site, changing your domain, rebranding, or even updating common phrases like replacing Elementor with Nexter. Okay, now let me ask you this. Have you ever had to update a bunch of links or change a phrase across your whole site? So instead of doing it manually, Nexter solves this problem. It gives you a replace URL and text tool that handles it in one go. How to use it? Turn on this replace URL and text toggle present here only within utilities. Next, click on the gear icon beside it. And now for URLs, enter the old URL here and the new URL here. Also, for text, you've got to follow the same process, that is, enter the existing phrase and the new one you want to replace it with. After that, check this case sensitive box if you think the replacement should distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters. Next up, enable this if you need to replace GUIDs, which are typically necessary when changing URLs. Moving on, search limit here lets you set a limit for the number of database rows to search here, which is useful for large databases to prevent timeouts. Next, scroll down, and now you have to go ahead and make sure you've chosen the right database here before proceeding. Why is that? Well, if you don't select a database, the search won't be performed anywhere. So add this into your checklist and do this without fail. And lastly, once you have configured all your settings, it's wise to perform a dry run first. This will simulate the replacement process and show you how many instances of the old text exist without making actual changes. After this is completed, I recommend you to review the results carefully. And if everything looks good, click on confirm to execute the replacement, and that is going to be set. Now, before moving ahead, just to give you an idea that this is the kind of thing which is super useful when you are doing stuff like migrating your site, changing your domain, rebranding, or even updating common phrases like replacing Elementor with Nexter. This will simulate the replacement process and show you how many instances of the old text exist without making actual changes.